Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have here the 01 EDC Holy Axe spinner. So yeah, if I sound weird, it's because I am sick and I feel like crap. And if I don't make sense, it's because I am on all of the cold medicines and I am just kind of like, woo, yeah. So let's get on with the video and see how it goes. Because I just got this in and I am very excited for it because it looks super cool. I like axes a lot. When I play D&D, I usually play a ranger because I like axes and I like to play a ranger with an axe. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's see. I should go this way. Why is it stuck? Why can't I? There we go. I opened the box. I struggled with that. All right. Number 18. All right, I'm just gonna pause. Okay. Let's open the box. See what we get in here. I guess it must be retention bearing, retention fit. This is a big package. Why could they not get a smaller bag? And not a sticker. The stickers maybe underneath. Fuck it. Fuck it. I got the titanium one. Oh god. 01 EDC Holy Axe. I think it looks cool. Let me make sure the buttons are on. Now let's see how it spins. It makes an interesting noise. Trippy. Very trippy. Keep going. It's like popping in and out. Weird. Whoa. Alright. That is cool. Let's see if you can, how easy it is to just stop it. Whoops. Yeah, it's pretty easy to do like just flicking. Let's get some specs. My voice is like garbage right now. My throat hurts so bad. I've been coughing up a storm. 38 grams, 38.61 grams. Let's see how much the buttons weigh. If I can get them off. Wow. The buttons themselves are almost 10 grams. Oh my god, it's not okay. Hold on. Okay, oh my goodness, wow, that was like terrible. I don't know why it was so difficult to get these buttons back on. The threads on the screw thingy in the middle were like all fucked up, so re-screwing on the buttons was like a nightmare. Okay. So it is 48.7 millimeters long, and 40.5 millimeters wide at the bladey half, and 15.6 wide at the pommel. I think this is cool. What do you guys think of this? The Holy Axe. I haven't seen anybody else with one. Maybe because it's not symmetrical? Do people not like asymmetrical spinners? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Leave them in the comments. Let's have a discussion. I think that's it for this video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys are being awesome and having an awesome time. And I will see you in the next video. So have a great one, guys. See you later.